Guys, this is part 2. We had an issue that the car would not start. Like, you shut it off and then sometimes it just doesn't start and sometimes it does. So we also had a problem with this shifter. Sometimes it would like get stuck and you could not like right now it works. So I can switch it and it would get stuck here as well. This one was broken, and not just here. There is a solenoid here, like a safety switch, that went bad. It's right there. There's the electronical switch that holds it and does not let it, like as you can see. I'm gonna try to zoom in. I'm pushing on the brake right now, and look, see, it moves. And if it's broken, it's not gonna move. As you can see, I release the brake and it locks in. So this was bad, and it was just stuck. It would just get stuck, and you would not be able to move this shifter. And so we replaced that, and now it's all good. The car starts anytime. So for us, this solved the issue. If you're having the same issue, try to replace this, or at least see if this actually works when you press the brake pedal. Just look if it's actually releases it. And so if this video was helpful, like the video, and also I will put a part 1 in the description, and subscribe to my channel.